Hi, welcome back to Ra Real Estate tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to create a project. However, this particular tutorial is just for executive management. Now, the first thing you do is come to project and then you click on new. Now, you see it has given us an option to create project. Now, we're going to add the project name as we deem fit. Now, you can as well say create tags by sending an email to anybody's email you can put in anyone's email you remember, and then you now go ahead and click on create. Now this project has been created, and now I have to add stages